Merong sariling store at saka may mga inumin dito sa beach hut bar.
Yeah, correct.
Galing nga.
Now only 2%. Because book already.
Mga store, shirt, and souvenir. Right there. Potato corner. Potato corner, Tupperware. And Crystal Sands. May restaurant sa front area ng Hen and Crystal Sands. Nice, good. It's called, I don't know. They have dinner buffet. Sapphire pala yung tawag. Nice. That's Henan. Tapos there's a bar on this side. This is part of Henan. I think so. Henan or the district. I think it's a little bit hotter here. Wanna go this way, Gabi? Hey, Gabi. In the district. Ang ganda ng panahon. Sa coffee shop. Ooh, steak. I had a grilled steak last night sa Olay. Sa D-Mall siya located. Actually near D-Mall na. May live band na ng ganito mga oras. Nice. Actually, it's lunchtime now. 11 a.m. That's red coconut. Mga seafood din yung mga pagkain. International. Oras. What happened? It off?